Okay, just a reminder, to open up forms, you go to this little waffle in the corner. Move the screen over so you can't see it. Okay, you go to this little waffle in the corner, you click on that, and you open up forms, which is the one with the F. And it will open up. We've already started Technology Night Parent Survey, but you can do a new form if you want. You want me to go ahead and open up Technology? Okay. So then, once you open it up, your title will be at the top. You can automatically put in the date, and then you can add your question. We did, what is your role? Teacher, parent. I'm going to just capitalize grandparent for you. And can you remember? You want member capitalized too? That one? Okay. All right. And then, okay, so then you want to require these questions because you want them to answer them. So you just slide over this bar to require them right here. Okay. And then once you're finished with that, we did, how did you hear about the meeting, phone, student informed you. Should we look at that? Mm-hmm. Flyer and other. Did you want me to take out other?
You can put website.
A website. Okay. So I'm going to delete other, and I delete it by just clicking on the one I want to delete, and doing the trash can next to it. So I'm going to add option, and you said website. I guess you could do marquee too. How do you? I don't know how to spell marquee.
Okay.
All right. Well, you can add to that later.
Okay.
All right. So then, you just go down to add another question when you want to add your next question, and it's this blue box, and you can do choice, text, or a rating. So, like, if you wanted to say, "Did you enjoy the activity?" you could do a rating, and they just do a thumbs up, or whatever you want to do. All right. So when you're finished adding all these questions in, you can make it cute by clicking on theme and changing the theme to whichever one you find appealing. And then when you want to share it, you click on this share button up at the top. And the first one is your responding button if you want to copy it to respond. If you want to share it as a template, if another parent liaison wanted to use it, you could click that one. And if you wanted somebody to work on it with you, like if you were working on developing a survey with another person, you could share to collaborate. But right now, you just want to copy this one because this is the one that you want the people to fill out. So you click copy. It's going to say allow access. And then you can go back up to your address bar, get a new tab, and right click, paste it in. And that's the link for the parents to fill out. And that's how they would see it.
So we'll copy the link.
Yep. So again, you go to share. Here's the link. You just click on this word copy. And then you can either paste it into an email or paste it into a new tab. Now, when you're finished with that, to get your results, you go back to your survey. So you would go back to your waffle, which is over here. You go back to forms, and then you open your form back up, and you would click on responses. Let's see where responses is, and that'll have all your data.
Okay.
So here's the question. Here's responses, and there you'll see all the data. Yeah.
So go to share. Go to the phone. Click on share, and click on forms, and then go to response.
And that'll give you all your data.